Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. This is Muhammad Kamal Hossen, lecturer Department of Mathematics, Scholars School and College, Dhanmondi, Dhaka. My dear students, today I am going to discuss construction drawing for the students of class 7. Already we have done 2 classes on the same content, and so we are going to start our class just after previous class. In the previous 2 classes we discussed how to draw a triangle when its 3 sides are given, when its 2 sides and 1 angle, or 2 angles and 1 side are given. Then in the second classes we have done when the 2 angles and opposite side of greater angle is given, how to draw a triangle. In 2 classes we have done question number 11, 12, and today I am going to discuss question number already we have done question number 11, 12 and 13, and today I will discuss question number 14. So my dear students, first of all try to comment top line of the board, left side, right side and everything okay. Can we start our class formally? Dear students, give attention, top line of the board, right side, left side and everything okay. Can we start our class formally? Light and voice, my sound and everything okay? Please do comments. We are going to start our class formally. I think sir utne respe rule ato. Dear students, you are doing comments, please say as everything is okay. Someone said there is a just for last 5 days I have been facing some problems in my phone, so I have to follow up your comments in my laptop. So dear students, so we are going to start our class. There are only 65 students are connected with this live. You can share this link to your friends to be connected with this live classes. So hopefully we are going to start our class formally within a short time. First I can write the question here, then we are going to start question number today. We are going to start question number 14. 2 sides and the angle of opposite. 2 sides and angle of opposite, question number 14. This is our 3rd class on this content. 2 sides and angle. 2 sides and angle opposite to the first side, opposite to the first side, opposite to the first side are given. Draw the triangle. Number A, first information here. Number A, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 60. 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 60 degree. Number B, this information is given here. Number B, second option, 4, 5 and 30. 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 30 degree. So by using this information we have to draw the triangle. And so dear students, this is the little bit different from our previous classes. In our last classes we have done the side of greater angle was given, the 2 sides and the angle opposite to the first side. First side and opposite angle of 60. This is the 60 degree will be placed in the opposite side of 5 centimeter. and 30 degree will be placed in the opposite of 4 centimeters. So by using this information we have to draw the figure. Okay, in our last classes we started, we can started our class formally. First I will draw first one, then I will give you times, you can draw second one. Dear students, we are doing the first one, number A. First information, two sides are 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So you can take the exact measures by using your scale, but I will use here approximate value, because if I take the 5 centimeter is too much easier in doing the figure in whiteboard, so you cannot see the properly. Considering this one is as a 5 centimeter, or another side is given here, this one we can write here 6 centimeters. So this is the A, we can write here A equals to 5 centimeter and B 6 centimeter. Another information is given here, 60 degree angles. So already we have discussed how to draw a 60 degree angle in last two classes. So again we will show here. First take a ray here, the first two information. Yes, this is the first one, and now at this point we will draw a 60 degree angle here. So dear student, those who missed the first classes, give again attention. We will draw here 60 degree angle. So now taking this point as a center and at the fixed radius, we will draw an arc here. Yes, now this measurement will be same, exact, no change now. The first portions you can cut here. This one will be an angle of 60 degree. This is a 60 degree angle, this point. Already we have done this work in our previous classes, so I think it's maybe easier to you. Yes, this is the 60 degree angle. We can write here as angle X, or you can use here the 60 degree, or write here the name mentioned, you can hear X equals 60 degree. These three information are given. By using this information we have to draw the figure. So dear students, I think already you have done this step. Now we are going to start drawing. We are going to start the figure drawing, how to draw a triangle by using the first information. So first of all, come back to the points. First of all, take a line segment. Okay, take a line segment here. This is the first ray. We can consider here this one is VD. Okay, now this angle, our first information, this angle is given the 60 degree here. So draw a 60 degree angle here. At the point B, draw a 60 degree angle here. At the point B, we will draw 60 degree angle, or we will copy this previous angle. Both are the same. Just now copy this angle here. First take each length of the radius. Okay. Taking the measures, I think it's little bit greater. Okay. Taking this. Okay, now this is the exact value now. Take here these measures. As like as previous one, you can draw the 60 degree angle. Both are the same here. This is the first step, and second step also will be same in terms of drawing 60 degree angle. Yeah. So this is exit point of 60 degree. And this is another point. This is the 60 degree angle. And this 60 degree angle, you can write here 60. And this is BD. So this A equal to, you can mention that this one as a E. Like here, E, B, D angle equal 60 degree equal X. Just placing this angle here. Now from BE, from BE we will cut. This is the second step. Take the measures of this line segment here. So I think I didn't take the exact measures here. That's why this side is this is the 5 centimeter. It is the same রেখে আমরা এটাকে একটু ছোট করে নিচ্ছি সাইডগুলোকে আমরা। ওকে, ফার্স্ট আমরা এটাকে 6 সেন্টিমিটার মেজারমেন্ট আমরা আবার একটু নিচ্ছি। This is the 6 centimeter measures here. This one will be little bit. Okay. And now শুকিয়ে যায় একটু খোলা থাকলে। So this is the first step. You can write here, considering this point is A, and here this is the line smallest B, the B 6 centimeter. So now this is the first step. Again, dear students, in the first step, take a line, take a ray here BD. At the point B, draw 60 degree angle B. D, B at E angle equals 60 degree angle. From BE, cut line segment BA equal B, that is the 6 centimeter. And taking AS centered, আমরা A এর মাপটা নিচ্ছি, A থেকে সেন্টার করে। Okay, dear students, give attention. The third step. Now you can take the measures of A. Yes, this is the measures of A. Now taking A as center, give attention. Taking A as center, draw an arc on the line. We can use here rubber. Yeah. Okay. So drawing two arcs. These two arcs intersect at the line B, this point and this point. We can mention here C is the first point here, C. Another point we can mention here, like you can mention here C prime. So again I am repeating this line. Dear students, give attention. First taking the measures of 5 centimeters here and taking A as center, draw an arc in BD line. This arc intersect BD at the 2 points C and C prime. So now you can join this. You can now join A and C. A and C, or A and C prime. So here required triangle, there are two triangles we see here, ABC. ABC is one, or ABC prime, A, B, C prime, both are same answer. Because in this both triangle we see here our given information all are available. This is the A, the length measures is A, this is length measures is A. So ABC is triangle, while we see here A is the opposite of 60-degree angle and B is another side. In ABC prime triangle, A is the opposite of B angle and B is another side. So my dear students, please do comments. If you have any problem, please do comments or mention the step. I will discuss as far as you demand. So, dear students, I think if this is, or if you have faced any problem, please do comments. Sir, ও চামেলি সরকার স্যার, আমি একটা স্টেপ করতে করতে আপনি পুরোটাই করে ফেলছেন। ওকে স্যার, I will repeat again. Arifal Shah, yes sir, I did not understand properly. Thank you. Okay sir, I will repeat again. Dear students, I think someone said the coughing dance. This is not sir good. I did not understand. Okay sir, we will discuss again inshallah. Yes sir, is clear. Okay sir, thank you sir. Please can you again describe this figure? Okay sir, thank you. Maximum students comments, yes sir, repeat again. So dear students, first step, give attention. There are two informations here, two sides. The first of all, two sides, 5 centimeter and 6 centimeters. And the second information, opposite of the first side. So opposite of the first side, basically opposite to the first side are given. An angle opposite to the first side, considering I think this one, angle opposite of the first side, this first side is 5 centimeter. Angle opposite of the first side, that means if the first side is 5 centimeter, angle opposite of 5 centimeter is 60 degree given, and draw the triangle or construct the triangle. Dear students, give attention again. First of all, you have to understand this question properly. This is the angle is opposite of the first side. So first side given here 5 centimeter. So this, using this information, we will draw the triangle. First of all, in the first line, give attention, I am repeating this step again. Take any ray BD. At the point B, draw 60 degree angle. At the point B, draw 60 degree angle equal D, B and E. Now from BE, cut BA. From BE, cut BA equal B, which is 6 centimeters. Now taking AS center, attention, taking AS center and radius as 5 centimeters. This is the radius here. Taking AS center, radius as 5 centimeter, draw an arc on the line BD. This arc intersects BD at 2 points. These are C and C prime. Just like this one, in a straight line here, if you see like a straight line, like if you see here, this is the line segment or a straight line. If you draw an arc, like if you draw an arc, this one. So just this was our point here. Just we have drawn 2 arcs. These are intersect at the point. This one is C. This one is C prime. So similarly, taking A as a center and 5 centimeter as a radius, draw 2 arcs which intersect BD line at the point C and C prime. Now join A with C and A with C prime. That is this one, the first triangle. This one, ABC is our required triangle, or this one is also will be right triangle, because both information follow the step here. There will form 2 triangles. You have to mention the last line here, required triangle ABC and ABC prime, because both triangle have the all requirements 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 60 degree. Okay, dear students, now write comments. If you understood this one properly, please do comments, or if you face any problems, mention the step. I will repeat again. I think it's not clear, something wrong. Oh. Okay, dear students, I think mobile আজকে কিছু প্রবলেম হচ্ছে, হয়তো যে কোনো সময় নেট একটু প্রবলেম করতে পারে। আজকে আমরা একটু দেখাবো কুইকলি। যদি তোমাদের এখানে কোনো কমেন্টস না থাকে, আমি বি নাম্বার কোশ্চেন স্টার্ট করব উইথিন এ শর্ট টাইম। So dear students, almost B and A both are same. So if you face any problem, just give attention to the question number B. Sir, please repeat again. Sir, how I create C and C prime? Oh, repeat again C and C prime. You said how we create the C and C prime. Dear students, taking A as a center, and 5 centimeter as a radius. Attention, 5 centimeter as a radius, A as a center. Draw an arc in the line of BD. These two arc intersect. This arc intersect BD at the point C and C prime. যখন তুমি এভাবে একটা পয়েন্টের উপর থেকে যখন একটা লাইনের উপর খেয়াল করো, এই যে একটা লাইনের উপর যখন একটা আর্ক ড্র করবে, এই আর্ক গুলো কয়টা পয়েন্ট ইন্টারসেক্ট করবে? নরমালি 2 points intersect. This is the first point and this is the second point. Now joining this one. So dear students, question number B almost the same. You can try at home. We will start question number 15. Almost easy. So both are the same. You can try question number B. Now I am going to start question number 15. So if you face any problem, then I will do this one in the next classes. Now as a homework, you can practice question number B. Almost the same. We are going to start question number 15. In the question number 15, the length of the hypotenuse question number 15, the length of hypotenuse question, the length of hypotenuse and other one side, length of hypotenuse and other one side draw the triangle or construct the triangle. So this is the first step. They have mentioned here length of hypotenuse and other sides are given. So draw the triangle here. Question number 15. Hypotenuse is 5 centimeters and other side is given here 4 centimeters. Number A, or you can write here This is the A, 7 centimeter, and other side are given here. Number B. First question 15A, 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. And this is question number 15A. So, and using this information, you have to draw a right angle triangle. So it's almost easy, right angle triangle. Just to mention here, first of all, take a line segment. Dear students, first give attention with me, then you can start. Yep. B, and this is E. So now this is the right angle triangle. So first step, the other sides, that means the B mentioned here, B equal 4 centimeter. At the point B. Okay. So we can consider here this one is BC. This is the 4 centimeters. Or you can mention here is smallest B. Now at the point B, draw 90-degree angle, because this is the right angle triangle mentioned here. At the point B or C, you can draw 90-degree angle. B or C, draw 90-degree angle. Already you know how to draw 90-degree angle, taking the measures here. Okay. এই মার্কারটিতে একটু ইঞ্চ কম, তোমরা আসলে বড় মার্কারটি এখানে সেট হচ্ছে না। First step, second step, third step, done. Step 1, now using this one, we have done a 90-degree angle. We all know how to draw a 90-degree angle here. Okay, sir. This we can mention here. VF. So, আমাদের একটু ফাইনাল স্টেপে এখন আমরা যে কাজটি করব, স্যার আসলে একটু মোবাইলে প্রবলেম হচ্ছে আজকে, একটু ক্লিয়ারলি দেখা যাচ্ছে না, তোমরা একটু ফলো করো, কমেন্টস করো, আমি একটু কাজটা করে নি, তোমাদের কমেন্টস গুলো রিপ্লাই দিচ্ছি। Again, first step, take any ray BE, and from BE cut BC equal 4 centimeter. At the point B, draw 90-degree angle. EBF equal 90-degree angle. Now, this is the final step. Taking C as a center. Dear student, give attention. Taking C as a center and take the measures of 7 centimeters here. This is a 7 centimeters. Or hypotenuse measures is 7 centimeters. Okay. This is the 7 centimeter. Now C as a center. Attention, C as a center. Draw an arc on BF line. Then C as a center, joining this line with the. Now join them. You will get a right angle triangle. So, dear students, please do comments. If you face any problem, I think two problem হচ্ছে আজকে নেটে আমি বারবার মোবাইলটা দেখছি যেটি অফ হয়ে যাচ্ছে কিনা. Okay, already one student said sir repeat. Okay, inshallah I will repeat again. This is too much easier. This is not difficult as like as previous one. So it's almost easier than our previous two figure drawing. First of all, dear students, okay, first information, the length of hypotenuse is 7 centimeter and other side, because with just this is the hypotenuse and this is the other two sides. This is the other one side and another side. So hypotenuse is mentioned here 7 centimeter. The other two side, another side is given here 4 centimeter. Draw the right angle triangle. So first step, BE, like here. We cut here, taking the radius as a 4 centimeters, and from BC, just we take a line segment here. BC equal 4 centimeter. And at the point we draw 90 degree angle equal EBF angle equal 90 degree. Or at the point we draw a right angle BEBF equal 90 degree or a right angle. And now taking C as a center and radius 7 centimeters, radius like a 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters measurement নিয়ে C কে তুমি সেন্টারে প্লেস করে then draw an arc on BF which is intersect BF at the point A. Now join A and C. That is ABC is requires triangle. স্যার এটা হচ্ছে আমাদের আগের দুটো কাজ থেকেও খুবই সিম্পল ছিল. তারপর তোমাদের যদি কারো কোনো কমেন্টস থাকে প্লিজ just mention the step. I will repeat it again. Sir, please do comments. If you face any problem, please do comments. Sir, how create C and C prime? Sorry, again comments. Sir, yes, I can do it. Thank you, sir. It's too much easy. আমাদের আগের প্রিভিয়াস দুটো ক্লাস থেকেও আমাদের আজকের কন্টেন্টটি খুবই সহজ ছিল। মানে অর্থাৎ নাম্বার 15 আমাদের নাম্বার 11, 12, 13, 14 এদের থেকে খুবই ইজি। Because the right angle triangle already mentioned here 90 degree and hypotenuse is given here 7 centimeter. In between other two sides, one side is given the 4 centimeters. And using this information, you have to draw the figure. স্যার হ্যাঁ এটা ইজি ছিল, অনেকে লিখলে আন্ডারস্টুড স্যার। সো আজকে আমরা ক্লাসটি আসলে আরেকটু কন্টিনিউ করতে পারলে ভালো হতো। আমার মোবাইলে একেবারেই চার্জ নাই আর কিছু নেটওয়ার্ক প্রবলেম হচ্ছে। আজকে আমরা ক্লাসটি খুব বেশি কন্টিনিউ করব না। আমি এর মধ্যে তোমাদেরকে দুটো হোমওয়ার্ক দিচ্ছি। নাম্বার 15 অলরেডি উই হ্যাভ ডান নাম্বার 15A. So you can practice number 15b, number 15b as a homework and number 14b as a homework. So I going to mention here number 14b and number 15b. So this is your homework, dear students. Just you will practice this number 14b and number 15b. Already I have done number 14a and number 15a. Similarly, you can practice remaining two constructions. So my dear students, if you have no problem in this today's class, question number 14a and 15a, we will leave our class today. Hopefully see again in the next classes. Today we are facing some problems here, net problems. I think sometimes okay, I think if number 14 I think Vipul Ranjan Shah has said number 14 একটু problem. Okay sir, আজকে তোমরা একটু try করো, then if you face some problems then I will discuss in the next classes inshallah. আজকে সবাই একটু try করো, যদি কোথাও কারণ number 14 কোশ্চেনটা একটু ডিফিকাল্ট ছিল comparing with the number 15. যদি 14 নাম্বার তোমাদের ডিফিকাল্ট হয় যে ড্রয়িং করতে পারছো না, আমরা নেক্সট ক্লাসে আবার রিপিট করব ইনশাআল্লাহ. So dear students, thank you very much to enjoy these classes. Hopefully see you again in the next classes. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.